Hey everyone, hope you're having a fantastic Wednesday. Welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing so that you can learn to make passive income and break free, become financially free, should I say, you're going to want to stick around. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Most of all, hit that thumbs up. Helps me get these videos out to more people. So let's talk about the market. Sorry I wasn't on here yesterday afternoon. My boys, they play basketball. They had basketball practice yesterday. Then they had a pizza party right after. And then they were also announced at the high school basketball game. So it was a busy afternoon. But it was kind of a boring day yesterday. It was flat, not a whole lot going on. I told you I was mostly just going to hold on to my SQQQs, hold on to my Coinbase puts, see what the market did. Just never got those profitable yesterday. So just kind of sit there and held and wait to see if the S&P did indeed close over that 4,000 to validate that move up. Well, what do you know? Market closed. The S&P 500 closed at $4,016. So we did get that close above the 4,000 mark, which on a technical chart did validate that move that we had on Monday. We got the SPY here closed at just over the 400. So everything was looking like the market could move up, which again, I've said personally made no sense to me. I'm looking for that pullback. I've been watching and waiting for that pullback, but the market has just been running. But then, in the after hours, we had the market absolutely start to tank. So that was kind of a red flag for me for today. I get on here today, shooting this video here. The S&P is down over 1% already in the pre-market. So this could be what I've been looking for. This could be that pullback. And this is why I've been telling everyone to be careful out there with their buying. Don't just FOMO in. Make sure you've got a plan, you've got a strategy. So we've got the S&P down over 1% today. I just sold my QQQs as I was getting on the video here. We picked those up at 42.65, sold them at 44.23. Now that's a pretty good markup. That represented a 3.7% gain. Really happy with that. And the reason I sold them is not because I don't think that the SQQQ is going higher today. I do believe if we have a market downturn, we could see the SQQQ really run up. But you've seen me do it before, and I've said it. You know, it served me many times in the past. When I see the markets this red, or vice versa, if they're in the green by over 1%, especially around 1.5%, I'll usually go ahead, either take profits or take a position to be able to make money right at open. Because with it this red already, chances are we're going to get a pop back up, which means even if I want to buy in back into the SQQQ, I'll probably be able to buy it cheaper than where I just sold it at and then run it up, which is exactly what I'm going to be looking to do. Sold those there. We get a pop up in the market, drops the SQQQ back down, gets it back down under, say, 44, especially down under, say, 43.50. Definitely, I think, could be a good place to pick it up. We'll see how quickly that market moves. If the market just barely moving back up a little bit, may not move the SQQQ too much, and I'll go ahead and buy in. But we could see a real volatile move, and we could get an even better price than that. So we're just going to watch the market, let it determine our price for us, and get back in on that, and then let it run up. Because I absolutely see it going over 45, potentially a resistance level here. Let me pull it back up again. I was looking at it a minute ago, but I can't always remember these things. A lot on my mind. Yeah, potentially a move up to around $47. So that would be a huge move, even if we bought in today. Could get in there under 44, run it up over 47. That could be a really nice play right there. So I'm going to be keeping my eye on that. Let's take a look. We got crypto just a little bit in the red, pulling back a little bit, and we've got Coinbase down about 4% in the pre-market. Now, we open up with Coinbase down here. My puts are going to be looking very nice. We'll see how the day plays out. If the Coinbase keeps going in the right direction, our Coinbase puts could make a lot of money today. But even at this, we're going to be profitable. We're going to try to close that position out today. I don't like holding options any longer than I have to. I bought these options way out. These are February 23rd options, or hold on, maybe February 17th options. I'm sorry, February 17th options. So I've got plenty of time, but you don't want to hold on to your options no longer than you have to, so you don't have that decay. Every day you hold on to them, they're worth just a little bit less because of that decay. So as quickly as you can get profitable and be able to get out of them, you want to be able to close those positions, and that's what I'm going to be looking to do. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. That's what I'm going to be paying attention to. We're going to see how the market reacts. Like I said, even though we did get that validation, this is why I tell you, you can't just trade by the charts. Because if you got that technical close yesterday, that truthfully set us up for this market to rally to at least say 4,100. And yet, here we are with the markets really crashing down. You have to also look at the micro and macroeconomics of what's going on around you. We all see this world that we're living in. We see how the prices are. We know there's a recession coming. We got money printing going on. Lots of things going on out there in the world. And that's why I say you've got to know the numbers. You have to be paying attention to the world around you. You can't just trust the charts. If you could learn charting and just make money off that alone, everyone would do it. And robots would definitely rule the world because algorithms do make money. But if the charts was 100%, it's all in the world would be used. So, like I said, learn your charts, but you've got to know the numbers. You've got to get an instinct for trading. Know the companies that you're looking at, and just have your ear to the ground. Have people that you listen to. I have people that I listen to. I have a community of people that we all talk. That gives you that, we'd say, 6 cents to be able to trade and make money. So that's what I'm hoping to help you with. Come over, become part of the crypto Discord, become part of the stock Discord. I think you're going to like what I got over there. And as I've said before, first of its kind actually pays you to learn. So if you want to learn stocks, you want to learn crypto, that's the place to be. Check it out in the link below the video. Tradebynumbers.org is what it is. If you don't have a trading platform, get yourself the Webull. It's what I use. Lets you buy in the pre-markets, lets you buy in the after hours. And for God's sakes, please, if you're out there trading crypto, get yourself a cold storage wallet. If you don't know what wallet to get, I do keep a link to Ledger below. Helps out with these videos. Most importantly, it's going to protect your wealth. It's going to protect your future. You got a cold storage wallet, it doesn't matter if FTX goes out of business, whatever exchange goes out of business, your crypto's safe. That's what I got for you today. Join me this afternoon. We'll talk about where these stocks went for the day. We'll talk about how we panned out. Can't talk today. So excited, honestly. I'm just bouncing in my seat. But we'll talk about how everything went. Until then, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.